I'm Dana Bocinsky, and with the help of my gracious wife, Maddie Bocinsky, I'm going to present to you objective 10.5. Now let's get started with the arterial blood flow of the shoulder, axilla, and arm. So the subclavian artery becomes the axillary artery just lateral to the first rib, right here. This first branch is the superior thoracic artery that supplies the first and second intercostal spaces. The second division starts with this thoracoacromial trunk that has 4 divisions named for what it supplies. We have a clavicular, pectoralis, acromial, and deltoid branch. And here we have the lateral thoracic branch, which supplies the serratus anterior. The third part of the axillary artery has 3 named branches. The subscapular artery gives rise to the thoracodorsal and the circumflex scapular artery, which contribute to the shoulder anastomoses. And then we have the anterior and posterior circumflex humeral arteries that contribute as well by supplying the head of the humerus and the surrounding muscles. The axillary artery becomes the brachial artery just distal to the teres minor. There is a deep branch called the profunda brachii that supplies the posterior compartment of the arm, such as the triceps muscle. It runs in a spiral groove along with the radial nerve. For venous blood flow return, there is a deep and a superficial system. The deep system shares the same names as the arteries and follows a very similar course. The deep veins of this region are the brachial and axillary. The superficial veins of this region are the cephalic vein and the basilic vein. The cephalic vein originates on the radial or lateral portion of the arm and flows up into the upper arm before it joins the deep system at the axillary vein. The basilic vein courses the ulnar or medial side of the arm before it also runs up the upper arm and joins with the axillary vein. There's the superficial communicating vein called the median antecubital vein that provides communication for the cephalic and the basilic veins.